What up?
Hi.
How would you describe my conversation with my sister yesterday? In your honest opinion, as someone who's sitting here listening to me bitch and moan, how would you describe it from the outside?
It was more of an argument about not wanting to be a productive person or something.
Is that how you interpret it? Dude, we always interpret things so differently. I'm always like, so what do you think of this? And you, like, the points you come up with.
It was like an argument for a lack of ambition.
How'd you get that? I was not expecting you to say that. I don't know what I was expecting, but tell me how you got that.
Because, that's... You're telling her all these, like, good points about things that you can do with your life.
Yeah.
And she's like, to all of them.
That was... I mean, maybe and maybe not. And since she not...
pretty much is, like, to all of them.
Well, since she's not here to defend herself, I'm just going to acknowledge my half.
Tell us all about it.
Publicly. Number one... Okay, in 2015, I ended a friendship with someone, and I never end friendships. I'm like a ride or die, ride to die. Forever. That's just how I am. Even when I grow apart from people, it's like I still sit there and wonder, like, how are they doing? I hope all is well. So when I ended this friendship, like, I just was thinking in my head, like, should I say something to this girl? Like, how do I handle this? I've never dealt with this before. And just something clicked in my head that the shit that gets on your nerves about other people are their strengths. And that was like a revelation in my mind. I was like, I'm not telling her shit, because then I'm just criticizing something like her strong points. And that's not okay. So this comes back to my sister. So I get on her nerves. I definitely, like, I take the bait. Like, I don't have to get on her nerves, and I don't mean to. I'm just being myself, right? Mm-hmm. Would you say that I'm just being myself when I get on her nerves?
Yes.
Because I know I just learned probably in the last year, the parameters with terms of engagement, like how we can chit-chat and it's cool, and then where the line is where... I just get, like, I know there's a line where I get on her nerves and I forget about it because I'm just being myself, right?
Mm-hmm. Something
I figured out that I know that gets on her nerves, I'm an over communicator. Like, I need to get out the details. I've got, like, I just want to keep going until... Most people are not over communicator. I think the majority of people are like, you ask them a question, hey, what time do you want to get together? You write it on Facebook and they just hit like. You know what I mean? They're not like, here's 30 options, tell me what works for you. Let's just, you know what I mean? And I think my strength of over communicating is a weakness when talking with her. And I'm just putting that out there for myself to remember. Don't take the bait. I get being myself is great, but it doesn't work for everyone. And not to feel so frustrated when we part ways and I can tell, like, this did not end well. Like, I was just harassing her, even though I thought I was being normal. It wasn't good. I should have just zipped that shit. I should have zipped it.
I thought you were bringing up good points.
It's not relevant. If somebody doesn't want to hear what you're talking about, it doesn't matter if you're bringing up good points. Like, if she was bringing up good... She
sounded like she was initially open to the conversation,
Here's the thing. She thought she was bringing up good points, and I was battling her. So, who's to say who was bringing up the points? Peace.